The 2025 Ford GT Liquid, an epitome of automotive engineering, is here to redefine the boundaries of performance and luxury. Ford has taken the iconic GT and infused it with even more innovation, creating something truly spectacular. Let's dive into the details of this stunning machine and explore why it's a game-changer in the hypercar world. At first glance, the 2025 Ford GT Liquid grabs your attention with its sleek, futuristic design. The body is bathed in a liquid metallic finish, a cutting-edge paint technology that gives it an almost otherworldly glow. The shimmering surface reflects light in a way that makes the car appear as though it's alive, constantly shifting its hue based on the environment. This color scheme not only enhances the car's aerodynamic profile but also showcases Ford's dedication to pushing the limits of design and craftsmanship. Moving on to the exterior, the aerodynamics of the 2025 Ford GT Liquid are more advanced than ever. The car features an active aero system, including adjustable rear wings and front flaps that adapt in real time to driving conditions. This allows for maximum downforce at high speeds and optimal efficiency during everyday driving. The car's low-slung stance, wide wheel arches, and aggressive front grille give it a menacing yet elegant look. The forged aluminum wheels and Michelin Pilot Sport tires complete the visual package, making it clear that this is a machine built for performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford GT Liquid is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces an astonishing 667 horsepower. This powerhouse engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, delivering power to the rear wheels with precision. The result, a car that can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds flat. Ford has also incorporated an advanced hybrid system, which boosts the car's overall performance and efficiency. This hybrid system allows the GT Liquid to intelligently manage power distribution, enhancing both acceleration and fuel efficiency. The interior of the Ford GT Liquid is equally impressive. Inside, the car offers a race-inspired cockpit with cutting-edge technology. The dashboard features a digital display that presents essential performance data, such as lap times, tire pressure, and G-forces. The seats are crafted from carbon fiber, offering both comfort and support during high-speed maneuvers. A minimalist approach is taken with the controls, ensuring that everything you need is within arm's reach, while keeping the focus on driving performance. The cabin is finished in high-quality materials like Alcantara, leather, and anodized aluminum, blending luxury with sportiness. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Ford GT Liquid is nothing short of extraordinary. Thanks to its advanced suspension system and lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the GT Liquid delivers unparalleled agility and cornering capabilities. Whether you're on the track or the open road, this car feels perfectly balanced and responsive. The adaptive suspension system allows drivers to switch between different driving modes, adjusting ride comfort and handling to suit the situation. Another standout feature of the Ford GT Liquid is its cutting-edge tech. The car comes equipped with an advanced driver assistance system that includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only enhance safety but also make driving the GT Liquid an experience that blends high performance with convenience. The sound of the 2025 Ford GT Liquid is another factor that sets it apart. When you start the engine, a symphony of turbocharged growls fills the air, giving you a sense of the power that lies beneath the hood. The exhaust note is sharp, aggressive, and exhilarating, perfectly complementing the car's performance. While the 2025 Ford GT Liquid is built for performance, it also embodies Ford's commitment to sustainability. The hybrid system not only improves efficiency but also reduces emissions, making this hypercar more environmentally friendly without compromising on speed or power. The price tag of the 2025 Ford GT Liquid reflects its exclusivity and cutting-edge technology. This is a limited production hypercar, meaning only a select few will be able to own one. However, for those fortunate enough to get behind the wheel, the experience is truly unmatched. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford GT Liquid is a masterpiece of design, technology, and performance. Ford has taken everything we love about the GT and pushed it to new heights, making it one of the most exciting cars to hit the market in recent years. Whether you're a collector, a performance enthusiast, or someone who appreciates innovation, the GT Liquid is a car that demands attention. It's more than just a hypercar, it's a statement of what the future of automotive engineering looks like.